Thank you for your time to watch my video presentation. On this occasion, I would like to introduce Visual Basic application on the Microsoft Excel program, or commonly called macros. Microsoft Excel program that are commonly in use in workplace is a program that can run independently. But Excel program can combine with Visual Basic to optimize performance of Excel. I will show you. I would put any value in cell A1 and cell B1. If we want to obtain the multiplication yield, then we can write the formula A1 multiple B1 at cell C1. A simple example of Visual Basic application with the same functionality as I will show below. I give the same value at cell A2 and B2. I will give a command button to the means of execution. Not only with command button we can execute the command at Visual Basic. We can use shortcut on keyboard, hyperlink, and so forth. I will go to the Visual Basic view by double clicking the command button that I have created. In this section, I will type the in simple commands with similar function in Excel command before, namely range C2 value equal range A2 value multiple with range B2 value. We see the results. If we click the command button, multiplication yield of cell A2 and B2 will appear in cell C2. This is just a simple example. A lot of Visual Basic application that we can apply to the Excel's program. I will give some example of its application. I will turn on the virtual keyboard to show the details of the order that I give through my keyboard. I will show application of cell background color replacement with command Control Shift B. It can be seen that the color of selected background cell changed. I pointed out it again with command Control Shift B. We are free to choose any color according to our wishes. The next example, I will demonstrate the application of the formula to find the source Excel cell with command Control Shift S. It can be seen from the arrows that indicate cell of the formula that we use as a calculation formula. Instead, we could see cell defense we choose with command Control Shift A. The next example, calculate the subtotal of the row of numbers with command Control Z. We can see the result of the cell that is green. I repeat the command Control Z. The next example, move to the source with command Control Shift D. I will be demonstrated in this cell would I connect with a different sheet. Sometimes to trace the source of cell we need time. With Visual Basic application, we only need to type command Control Shift D. Cell source will automatically be tracked and highlighted immediately. The next example, I will show the application search for and marks a hidden row. Often, when we edit the file from others, there are some hidden row that sometimes we don't realize we do mistake because of it. I demonstrate it in row 3, row 6, and row 7. I hide. Manually, we can mark the row 2 and row 4. Then doing unhide command. At this way, it will take a long time and waste energy in find. Moreover, if the number of rows that should be checked are hundreds of rows, I can choose to select all rows and do unhide command. But the traces of hidden row will disappear and difficult to track it. I will hide back row 3 which I opened before. I will remove the background color of the columns to show the difference after I apply Visual Basic application in this sheet. I drag the view in the final row and I type the command Ctrl+Shift+G. We can see how many rows are in the hidden. I have marked the hidden rows and give two options that remain to open or hide rows. Okay, we try to open it. We can see the column in each row that hidden was on the mark with a blue background color. This is the difference between a row that was originally in the hide and are not. Actually, there are a lot of Visual Basic applications that we can apply to the program of Microsoft Excel. But all of that I cannot possibly show you all of this occasion. This is the end of my presentation.